Ever ponder the omnipresence of plastics in our lives and its impact on the environment? Plastics are versatile and can be molded in various shapes and forms while maintaining their durability and stability. They have become ubiquitous in modern society due to their wide range of applications, including packaging, construction, transportation, electronics, and consumer goods. Microplastic, minuscule plastic particles 1,000 times less than a millimeter, are the result of larger pieces of plastic disintegrating under environmental forces such as temperature, ultraviolet radiation, and mechanical stress. With our heavy reliance on single use plastic products and the fact that most plastic entering the environment is non biodegradable, these plastics are becoming a growing concern. More than 8 million tons of plastic waste is dumped into the ocean annually, and much of our plastic litter is used and disposed of on land. As this plastic waste disintegrates, the resulting microplastics contaminate our water supplies and invade our farmlands and oceans. But how does the presence of microplastics in the environment affect us and the world around us? Recent studies have begun to shed light on this question. Microplastics act as pollutants, disturbing the soil and microbial communities living within plants known as endophytes. These endophytes, which typically access plants through the soil, have crucial role in plant survival and disease resistance. Scientists have studied the effects of microplastics on plants by growing Chinese flowering cabbage in controlled environments, with one group exposed to varying amounts of microplastics and another under normal conditions. The results were revealing. The presence of microplastics led to a change in the diversity of endophytes, an increase in disease-causing microorganisms, and affected the growth and development of the plants. The microplastics also altered the contents of carotenoids, iron, vitamin C, and calcium in the edible parts of the plants. This is because microplastics can act as a reservoir for disease-causing microbes in the soil, and their ability to attach to root systems make the plants more susceptible to disease, resulting in slower growth and increased morbidity. In aquatic environments, microplastics can absorb contaminants and promote accumulation through food webs. This contamination of water supplies with microplastics is becoming increasingly common, and the effects on human health are still under investigation. In conclusion, the environmental impact of microplastics is profound and far reaching. From our soils to oceans, our water supply to our food, these tiny particles of plastic are invading our world and disrupting our ecosystems. However, there is hope. Some scientists have shown that boiling tap water can trap microplastics inside limescale particles, which can then be easily filtered out. A simple solution, perhaps, but one that underscores the importance of addressing this global challenge. It's time to rethink our relationship with plastic and work towards a sustainable future. As we wrap up, remember that the research mentioned here is just the tip of the iceberg in the vast sea of chemistry research. Dive deeper into these fascinating topics by exploring the articles in the description below. Thanks for watching.